This is Z from Sain Official. Welcome back to another video, and before starting the video I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the sleep and the power options in the computer. So most of the people are facing issue that their computer automatically gets to sleep, or its battery performance is lacking than the committed by the company. So most of the time it is the battery setting issue. So today I'm going to tell you how to resolve it. So all you have to do is to open control panel if it is not on desktop, that I have put it here. So you have to click start button and search control panel. Okay, so after you open it, it will show you like this in large icons, and if I click category wise it will show you like this. So if you are looking it as category wise, you have to click the hardware and sound option, and after that you will see the power options. Okay, you have to click power options. So here is a menu regarding the power settings of your computer, and that is totally operated by the Windows operating system. That is not a separate software regarding it. You can see on the left side, choose what the power button does, choose what closing the lid does, choose when to turn off display, choose when the computer sleeps. So here is the balance recommended, as I am using that one. All I have to do is to click change plan settings. So after that it will show me when I am only using battery and when it is plugged in with power. So he's asking me that when I want to turn off display when I am using battery, and when I am with power plugged in. So I have made a setting of 5 minutes and 10 minutes for turn off display, and when I want my computer to sleep it is 5 minutes, and for plugged in it is 5 hours, as mostly I am doing some downloading in the background. So here, from here you can choose the one you like, and after that if you want to check more settings, just click change advanced power settings. So from here you can do some basic settings like doing some USB power options, on battery enabled, on plug-in enabled or disabled, for PCI Express, for display, for the multimedia settings, for battery. So that was a very simple method, and after that you have to click save changes and it will be saved automatically. So here is the option. When I press the power button, what should be done? Like when I press the power button on battery, my computer goes to sleep. In every case, while lid is closed, it is also going to sleep, but you can also put it on hibernate, shut down, turn off display, anyone you like. Likely we have to check create a power plan. From here you can make your own plan by power saver, high performance, balance recommended. Okay, if you want to put your computer on battery saver mode, you have to click here in Windows 10 and there will be option battery saver. So after you click battery saver, your battery saver will be on and you can see the notification here. And this was another method to save the battery on your computer. So that was all from today's video. We hope you understand. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, subscribe and share our channel.